Welcome back to Lunch at the Market after a nice holiday weekend. The weekend of football with both fantastic and horrible at the same time. Cincinnati looked like its terrible self, losing its 7th game of the season, and Boise State let their kicker miss 2 field goals to lose the first game of the season, about 5 years worth of respect and a shot at the national championship, all in about 5 minutes. It was a rough night. On the bright side, Oregon looked terrific. Auburn had a massive comeback to stay undefeated and keep Cam Newton's Heisman hopes very alive and well. For the first time this year, Brad blew it on the QB shuffle, and Peyton Manning threw twice as many interceptions as he did touchdowns, leaving us with only Arizona's defense tonight on Monday Night Football to pull a win in fantasy football. Let's hope Arizona can get 3 or 4 takeaways tonight and we'll pull this out. Otherwise, our fantasy football season is pretty much over, and not in a good way. Okay, enough football for now. Let's take a look at the stock market for today. The S&P has been in an uptrend from the lows of the day and has seen us test and bounce off support 4 times today. And that includes a complete breakdown below support and then a return for a successful retest. So far, so good on the technical action, and the trade does seem to be to buy dips once again. We'll see where we finish on the day, but so far all is well in our strategy. Akamai, Amazon, Netflix, and Cree are not only behaving, they are up today in a tape that has the major averages down about 1%. F5 and Salesforce.com are down about 1.5%, and Apple and Fire are down only 0.5%. We are not taking any action today. Although if Visa sells off any more, we may have a trade. We're also a buyer of STD below $10, and that's our line in the sand to add, get long, or initiate a position in Banco Santander. Do like Mosaic on this sell-off today. The stock is down 3%, and we think we can get long the equity here or sell the December 65-60 put spreads for over $1. You may have to roll these, but with only 19 days left, we really like the short put spread trade, and we like the Mosaic has a forward PE of 14.1 with $5.30 per share in cash or $2.36 billion on the balance sheet with only $1.36 billion in debt. They bring in $570 million a year in free cash flow and are in a hot food sector where we think supply strains going forward are a reality. Many farmers worldwide have put off the necessary soil maintenance since the Great Recession started, and this can only be done for so long before crop yields suffer. We think much higher grain prices means that farmers will feel more comfortable opening up their wallets and spending on fertilizer. We put on the short put spread today and will add to our long stock position if we see the stock weaken further. Thanks for joining us again today. We hope that you had a great weekend with family. December OPEX will come quickly with only 19 days left. We'll save the lion's share of the remainder of our dry powder for the week before or the Monday of OPEX. Remember to always leave cash available in case trades go against you, especially this MOS trade, which is only $2.63 away from the strike we're short. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.